What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here, and we are heading to a red, white, and blue big thrift store day after Christmas, merry day after Christmas. And yeah, so we're gonna hopefully find some good stuff. I just dropped off a bunch of packages at the post office, and that's good. So yeah, making some money there. Lots of things sold on eBay and Amazon over the Christmas weekend. So let's just head out, let's go find some stuff. I'm super pumped. I'm bringing you guys inside the thrift store so you guys will see everything I see. Let's go. All right, guys, we are here right now. You can see the thrift store right up there. We're gonna go inside, bringing the camera with me. This place is kind of busy today though, so there's gonna be a lot of people in there. Hopefully we find some stuff. What time is it? They close at 6. It's 3:27, so I got some good time. There's Goodwill down the road that we could swing by. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see, but we're definitely going in here.
I don't think they need to check them either. You know what I mean?
Of course. Out of all those games, the only one I found was this Lego Hobbit. $5 goes for about $22 to $25 over on Amazon. So this is the one game I ended up getting. You guys saw those games, the Wii games. I think those are new ones that just came out. Hopefully that's not a trend to come. You guys saw some of the good prices, you know, $2, $3, $4, $5, right? And then they have games that sell for 99 cents at GameStop for $13 to $20. Hopefully that doesn't become a trend, because the clothing has already taken that trend here, and I almost can never pick up any clothing here because it is priced at $20, $30, $40. So we'll see. We'll see. Let's keep looking. Unicycle. Look at that. $55 for a unicycle. Darn. It's all rusted in there. It's got some stickers. That kind of stinks. Left Behind trilogies. It's always good to look up these books. The books box sets. Gonna scan them in. Alright, here's the toy section. They have a lot of different board games here. And a lot of toys, so gotta scan through them all. See if we find anything brand new sealed. And look it up for sure. Found a brand new sealed Wii Motion Plus adapter. Goes for, looks like merchants are coming in at 24. The rank's not bad. FBA is coming in at 42, but used, it's only 14. And look at the side of that box. There's a hole in it. The bottom is pretty messed up, but everything else is sealed. I think I'm gonna take a pass. Also, they write with Sharpie on the box. So if I screw up the artwork on the front, I don't know. I think I'm gonna leave it $5. Kind of a shame that the box is messed up like that. What would you guys do? Do you send this in as new if you could get that Sharpie off right there? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm personally gonna leave it behind. It's not worth the risk for me to get a return, get a negative feedback, get a hit on my account, just to make, you know, a little bit of money. So I have found a few more book box sets right here, Left Behind the Kids. Guys, this is surprisingly worth some good money. I'll show you guys that in a little bit. Also, we found a hardcover book. It's used, but it's in an original box. Pretty interesting. $4 it's going for, you know, a good amount. So, not bad. Let's keep going. Guys, I'm really debating here. There are 2 complete sets. There's a few more over there. There are 2 complete sets of Friends. They want $4 each, but they're 25% off, which would make them $3 each. And the prices are all over the place on eBay. Some recently have sold for $90 for the complete set, so my buy cost would be $30. So 30 into 90 would be great. But then I see some that are only selling for $50. Yeah, it's super confusing. And I'm trying to debate what to do. I think the cheapest one online right now is $53, but that's from a Goodwill. And once they sell theirs on eBay, the next cheapest is about $75, I think. So I don't know if I'll do it. They had one of these really cool clocks down there. They want $5 for it. This is a sold listing at $25, and you could see They sell pretty regularly at about 25. That one sold for 40. We got another one at 25 plus shipping, 29, 18 plus shipping. So not bad. I might grab it. That guy for some reason only sold it for 25 free shipping. I could get it off of completed listings and see what's listed right now and sort by cheapest price. So let's sort by lowest price. And you can see $17, $15 plus shipping, and that's not that great, honestly. So I'm gonna leave it. I was just talking to you guys about how clothing's impossible here. Here's a Croft & Barrow for 13 bucks. Old Navy for 8. But yet, oh, there's a Time Bahama for 5. Surprising. Interesting. I'm not gonna get it because it says silk. Yeah, 100% silk up there, but it's a cotton material. Maybe it's fake, I don't know. Definitely not silk though. That is like the most cottony feeling shirt I've ever seen. Is that king size for 8. Stafford for 10. I mean, this is impossible. Chaps for 20. It's impossible to find clothing here. I really can't remember the last time I actually found a great deal on clothing here. It's been a long time. I passed 2 Nat Nasts over there for $20 and $40. Royal Robins for 8. I mean, another Croft. They think Croft & Barrow's worth 13 at a thrift store. What is this? Another Croft & Barrow 13. Bugatti 15. I don't know. Club Room for 10. They make a point to show you new tags. It's kind of funny. So I haven't found anything else. I actually found a DVD recorder down here. I have to test it, make sure it works. They want 20 bucks though, so it's kind of pushing the price, but it looks like it's selling for 250 on Amazon. You guys can take a look for yourselves. It is a Samsung DVD VR300. Pretty interesting. 20 bucks is kind of a lot though. Especially if it doesn't work fully. The best I could do here is plug it in, throw a DVD in it, throw a VHS in it, see if they work. That's to the extent I could test in the store anyways. I don't know, I was just looking at the clothing because I was bored, but I think we're gonna head to the Goodwill very shortly here. Oh, here's the piano FAL Schwartz from Big. That's actually kind of cool. I'll look that up. It's 20 bucks, but you never know. You never know. I'm gonna look it up. So the fees are killer on it. There it is right there. FAO, $58, $30 in fees. So I would only make 28 and it costs 20. So it's not really worth it for me. Spend 20 to make 8 on something that might not work fully. Gotta do some testing. I'm gonna leave it. Okay, it's in the car and ready to go. One bad thing is that Lego Hobbit game that was worth some good money. Of course, disc wasn't there, so kind of a shame there. We still got some Harry Potter books. Not worth anything on their own, but I'm waiting to build a complete set at 99 cents a piece. Not too bad. And everything else I showed you guys, nothing too special really. This could be a great thing if it works. Hopefully it does. I spent 20 bucks on it. All right, just pulled up to the next stop, Goodwill. Gonna head inside. I say this in pretty much all of my videos. First, let's make sure the car is locked. All right, I say this in all my videos, but this Goodwill is so bad. Except last time I left here with some good stuff, surprisingly. And I did find a Jurassic Park Operation Genesis game here that I ended up selling for like 80 bucks. So that was solid. So hopefully we find something good like that today. Let's see. All right, first things first, let's check the media out. That looks like it's just VHS tapes. Just DVDs. Now they keep all the video games behind a glass case here. So we'll have to check that out in a minute. Here's the CDs. What I will do is take all the sealed ones, stick them to the side, and scan them all. I don't really feel like scanning every single CD today. But I'll do that eventually. Nobody's really going to be searching through those. So let's see what we got here. We have a menorah after Hanukkah for $8.50. Focus, there we go. $8.50 menorah. Not getting that. Oh! Flash pad. I've sold these before. Let's see if this is exactly what I'm thinking of. It is Flashpad Connect. These can go for good money. $3. I'll look that up. What do we have here? A Zenith DVD video cassette recorder, which is another good thing, so I'm gonna look that up as well. And a printer. Is this brand new? It is not. It is definitely used, and they want 25 bucks. That's probably not gonna be worth it. But I'm gonna look up this guy. I wonder how much they want for it. I bet it's some crazy amount. $25. Is there any color on sale right now? It'll tell me red and, oh, red? I can't tell. Red and yellow? 50% off? I have no idea, guys. Yeah, red and yellow. That's interesting. That's new. Well, that's green, so let's see if it's worth it. 25 bucks. Could be. You never know. Let's do some research. So here is the model right here. Decent rank. Used $91. No FBA sellers. So as it stands, I could spend 25 to make 70, you know, knock off my 25, so it's more like 45. But since there's no FBA sellers, and these guys might be selling it in acceptable condition, good condition and very good, so they might have the remote, who knows. Next guy's at 160, so I'm gonna dig it out, take a quick look. I really don't feel like spending 25 bucks on this thing. I hate doing that, but it looks, oh well, there's lots of dust on it, holy cow. And I don't see a remote anywhere. If there's no remote, I'm gonna pass. Oh, the remote's right here. Zenith. Oh, that actually might be worth it. I'm gonna throw it in the cart because with the remote, you could really command a premium. So I am gonna grab this, test it out, of course. I'll grab a DVD and a VHS tape and stick it in it, and hopefully it works. I mean, that could be really nice. 25. Hopefully I could sell it for 150. I'm also gonna check the sales history on this, and I'll show you guys exactly how I do that in a little bit. Yo guys, check out this banana book thing. What are they called? Book end. That's the word I was looking for in my head. This banana bookend. This thing's pretty dope. It's $8.50 though. That's really expensive. I saw the Zumba thing for $6.50. Somebody stole it. It's completely empty. Why would you steal a Zumba set? I have no idea. But that is thrift stores for you. When things are priced high, people steal. Oh, I put back those flash pads. They weren't worth anything. It just wasn't the correct model, I guess. I don't know. Just those ones weren't worth anything. So, do I want to do the CDs now? No, you know what? We're going to go check the video games. Oh, look at this. The Presidential Dollars Collector thing. I've never seen one with dollars. It's $4, brand new sealed. I'll scan this in. This might be worth it for Amazon. Let's hope. Definitely not worth it. You guys can see horrible sales rank. Nobody's selling it. Horrible picture. I'm not even going to bother with it. I'm just going to leave it right over there on the shelf. Now, let's go look at video games. Looking at the video games here, some of the prices are insane. I was noticing lots of 2s and 5s and 3s. I'm like, oh, that's not bad. And then I see Manhunt for $25. That game is selling on Amazon right now for about $12. And then I see Final Fantasy 7 over there for $40. Here it is right here on my phone. You could buy it Amazon Prime for 16 bucks. Craziness, guys, craziness. What is going on? These thrift stores think they have gold. So weird. So obviously somebody looked it up or something and saw that it was going for 40. You know, what if I type it into eBay and see what like the first one that pops up is? It could be going for 40. Well, somebody just listed it for 40. Let's take a quick look. Okay, I typed it in and I don't even know where they got the 40 from. 25, 25, 23. That is not even it. That's a role-playing game. Maybe that right there, $47.59. Possibly. But there it is for 25. So maybe they just looked and they're like, oh, there's one going for 47. I have no idea. So what I ended up grabbing are just a couple cool looking books. They're only $1 each, so they're not worth anything on Amazon, but I just thought they looked interesting, so they will go on our bookshelf. Either me or Kristen can read them whenever, or they'll just look nice. And then I got these Song of Fire and Ice books. They are all 50% off at $1, so that would make them all 50 cents each, which is not bad, honestly. 50 cents each for books is pretty cheap when you complete the entire box set, you can definitely get some good money out of it. So we're going to probably leave this Goodwill. Not sure what we're going to do after it, but hopefully we end up finding some stuff somewhere else, or we'll end it there.